Pithampur, where Asia's longest high-speed test track NATRAX has been inaugurated, is located in which state? Answer B. Madhya Pradesh. Which ministry has updated the atlas of glacial lakes that are part of the Ganga River basin? Answer B. Ministry of Jal Shakti. Green Freight Corridor 2 seen in the news recently is located in which state? Answer C. Kerala. Which institution has launched the research initiative called Fund for Industrial Research Engagement? Answer C. SERB. Which country has passed the Holocaust Property Bill? Answer B. Poland. Which is the first mRNA vaccine to get emergency use license in India? Answer C. Moderna mRNA 1273. Which organization conducts the TOEFL and GRE tests? Answer C. ETS. CBSE has launched a financial literacy curriculum for students in association with which institution? Answer C. NPCI. Which state-owned insurance company has been recommended by NITI Aayog for privatization? Answer C. UIIC. Which organization released the report titled COVID-19 and Tourism? Answer B. UNCTAD. Which ministry instituted National Community Radio Awards? Answer B. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Which country launched a autonomous long-range missile system named Seabreaker? Answer B. Israel. Which state recently ended 149-year-old practice of Darbar Mu? Answer A. Jammu and Kashmir. Bagram Air Base, which was recently in news, is located in which country? Answer B. Afghanistan. India's Nihal Sarin is associated with which sports? Answer D. Chess. The Rampal power station that was making up news recently was located in which country? Answer A. Bangladesh. The Chengdu J20 that was making up news recently was developed by which country? Answer A. China. Which country topped the Sustainable Development Report? Answer D. Finland. Which country has imposed moratorium on death penalty at federal level in July 2021? Answer C. United States. Nipun Bharat Mission is related to? Answer A. School education. As per the Unified District Information System for Education report for 2019-20, which state has highest ratio of female teachers to male teachers? Answer C. Kerala. Who is the new CEO of Amazon? Answer B. and Djesse. Rouge River, which was recently making news, is a tributary of which of these rivers? Answer D. Ravi. As of 2021, which is the world's largest political party? Answer B. Bharatiya Janata Party BJP. Which country announced the Intermediary Guidelines and Digital Media Ethics Code? Answer C. India. Who has been named the flag bearer of the Indian contingent in Tokyo Paralympics 2021? Answer A. Mariyappan Thangvelu. Which sports federation has been granted recognition as the National Sports Federation by the Sports Ministry recently? Answer A. WACO India Kickboxing Federation. Which is the highest ranked Indian city in Global Startup Ecosystem Index 2021? Answer B. Bengaluru. In which city President Ramnath Kovind laid the foundation stone of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Cultural Center? Answer B. Lucknow. Which agency or organization built India's first indigenous drone defense dome, Indrajal? Answer D. Grainy Robotics. In which city new Center of National Horticulture Board NHB has been recently inaugurated? Answer D. Gwalior. Which article is associated with the appointment of Chief Minister by the Governor of the state? Answer C. Article 164. Which state recently became the 5th Indian state and 125th global state to join the Under 2 coalition? Answer D. Maharashtra. In which city India's first agricultural export facilitation center has been established? Answer A. Pune. Which institution gave its approval to implement satellite TV classrooms in India? Answer B. ISRO. Which country's investment agency won the world's most innovative investment promotion agency 2021 by OCO Global? Answer C. India. Last ice area which was seen in the news is located in which ocean? Answer A. Arctic Ocean. Which institution had struck down the Section 66A of Information Technology Act? Answer B. Supreme Court of India. What is the approximate annual growth rate of India's world market capitalization for the last 5 years? Answer C. 14.7%. In which Olympics International Olympic Committee made provision for flag bearers from both genders at the opening ceremony? Answer A. Tokyo 2020. Harivanga mangoes which were making news are grown in which country? Answer C. Bangladesh. Former Union Ministry Thawarchand Gehlot has been appointed as the new governor of which state? Answer B. Karnataka. What is the maximum fine to be imposed by the Department of Telecommunications for fraud messages with fake headers? Answer B. Rupees 10,000. Digital Communications Commission is an apex body under the aegis of which ministry? Answer B. Ministry of Communication. Mystery variety of cherries has been exported to Dubai recently from which city? Answer B. Srinagar. Which metro service launched India's first UPI-based cashless parking? Answer B. Delhi. Which state unveiled its new excise policy 2021-22 recently? Answer A. Delhi. As of 2021, which actor holds the record of receiving most Filmfare Awards for Best Actor? Answer B. Dilip Kumar.